The House Committee on Local Government has endorsed to the plenary the bill renaming Rodriguez Rizal. Rizal Representative Fidel Nograles' House Bill number 8899 wants the town's name to be reverted back to Montalban. The renaming shall be effective upon ratification of the majority of the votes cast in the plebiscite. Nograles said it has been 40 years since the municipality has been renamed, but the place is still commonly referred to as Montalban. The town was renamed after former Senate President and Rizal Governor Eulogio Amang Rodriguez, who was born in Montalban. In the 2019 elections, Nograles defeated the granddaughter of Rodriguez.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.